Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up Acer Nitro 16. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first is to power on the laptop and follow the on-screen instructions. Then select your language, region and keyboard layout. Connect to the Wi-Fi or skip the setting if you are offline. Then sign into Microsoft account and then set up Windows. Now choose privacy settings. You can disable data tracking options for more privacy as well. Then let Windows install update. Then what you need to do is install Acer drivers and software. So what you need to do is head over and open up the browser, and then on the search bar simply type in acer.com/support drivers and manuals. And once you are here, what you need to do is enter your serial or SNID or model number. Now once you are here, what you need to do is download and install chipset drivers, graphic drivers, and then audio and network drivers, NitroSense software and BIOS update. Now what you need to do is set up your NitroSense for performance. So head over and open up your NitroSense, then enable Cool Boost to increase fan speed for better cooling. Then you can also set performance modes from auto, faster and turbo. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.